Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are begin to our computer subject, chapter number 3, it's parts of a computer. So students, let's go to discuss with some pictures. So first picture is parts of a computer. So a computer has 4 main parts. Its first one is monitor, and second one is keyboard, and third one is CPU, and fourth one is mouse. So let's go to discuss about briefly. So monitor. A monitor looks like a television screen. It is also called visual display unit. So monitor is also called visual display unit, and short form is VDU, and it displays programs on a computer. Second, keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. So a keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. A keyboard has 104 keys. Now question is arise that how many buttons, how many keys on a keyboard? So you say that there are 104 keys on a keyboard. It is used for typing letters, words, numbers and characters also. So through keyboard we can type letters, words, numbers and character also. Now mouse. A computer mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. So look at this mouse and there are 3 buttons, right, left and middle buttons. So a mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point and select any item on computer screen or monitor. So students, through mouse we can use to point and selecting any items on computer screen. Now fourth main part is CPU, and CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is known as the brain of the computer. It helps a computer to think and do all its work. So CPU helps a computer to think and do all its work. Students, our another part of this chapter is some other parts of a computer. So first one is scanner. So scanner is a device that can read words, pictures or numbers printed on a paper and converts them into digital data that a computer can understand. A scanner scans our documents such as photos, paper and books. So students, through scanners we can scan documents, photos, papers and book also. One another part is UPS. So UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. It contains a battery in it which is charged from the main supply. It keeps the computer on for some time even after the electricity goes off. So students, through UPS we can computer off and on. Another part is joystick. So joystick is an input device and it is used to control movement on a computer. So through joystick we can play games on a computer. Now printer. Through printer we can take printout like letters, pictures on a paper. So printout help us to take printout like letters, pictures and other documents. Now another one is CDs and DVDs. So CDs stand for compact disc and DVDs stand for digital video disc. So students, please remember CD stand for compact disc and DVD stand for digital video disc. A CD stores less information than a DVD, and CPU contains a slot both CD drive and DVD drive. Now microphone and headphone. So first we discuss microphone. So microphone helps us to record our voice or other sounds into a computer. It also helps us to talk to people through the internet. So through microphone we can talk with people through the internet. So now headphones. So headphones are a pair of small loud speakers that enable a person to listen to music alone. So both are called multimedia devices of a computer. So microphone and headphone, it's called multimedia devices of a computer. Now our last tools are web camera and pen drive. So web camera is used to capture pictures and video images from outside and input them into a computer. So students, through web camera we can use to capture pictures and video images. Now pen drive. So pen drive is used to store our work and it can store a lot of information than a CD. So through pen drive we can use to store our work. So students, our discussion is finished. Hope you all are understood these points, and today all of you read out this chapter and make a audio and send in WhatsApp group, and through the upcoming class I will give all the question and answers part. Till then, thank you students, have a great day ahead and keep smiling always.